Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today I'd like to introduce you to the brand new 12 volt max rotary hammer from DeWalt. And this is an SDS Plus rotary hammer. And what I mean by SDS Plus is the bits have a 10 millimeter shank. I have a whole video on SDS Plus versus SDS Max. SDS Max rotary hammers, the shanks are 18 millimeters. Okay, so that's your shroud right there. The tube extraction kit comes with 3 different shrouds for 3 different sizes of bits. So this is really cool for an electrician because it's light, it's quick to use, it's great for hanging conduit, strut, lights and so forth. And you can make it OSHA compliant, which is really necessary from a legal standpoint. So this is a kit right here that goes on. Okay, you take it off with the handle here. Well, this part comes off like that. Okay, that's part of it. And then this part comes off right here. It's a handle. Now, if you just get the drill, it comes with a different handle. This handle comes with a dust extraction kit. And it has a bushing. It has different size bushings for the different DeWalt drills. This dust extraction kit here and with the tubing works for all the different size DeWalt rotary hammers. This is probably one of their smallest ones, so you got to use this bushing. It goes right in there in the handle, okay? And it goes in like this. And well, let me put the bushing on first. Let me put the bushing on first here. Okay. Go down there. It clicks into place. This thing points up. Okay. And the handle. I like the handle on the left side. I'm right-handed. So I always put it on the left side. You can see this goes over this bushing here. And that goes right in there. I have to loosen up the handle a little more. Okay. There's a little more. Okay, there. Okay, it's on now. Okay, so there's your handle. It's right on. Now tighten it up onto the bushing. Tighten that handle up. Okay, there you go. Okay, so here's your part of your dust extractor. Okay, it's got some wire area here to keep the dust from going into your nose and so forth. Okay, so this is going to go onto here, right here. Okay, so this is part of the handle setup, right? Okay, so you take this and you put it like that, and then this goes, let me show you. It just slides right on there, see? Clicks right into place, isn't that nice? Okay, so now we're doing pretty good, except in reverse. Okay, now, here's the dust extractor right here. This is a vacuum in its own right. You just turn this on, okay, and see, that's a vacuum. And it even comes with different accessories of that kind. And this kind, okay? All right, so this goes in here. Turn that off so I can talk. Okay, so that goes in there, give it a little twist. All right, so, and this has a hang hook right here. You can hang that from anything available to hang it on. You can even hang it on your belt hook, I suppose. That was kind of heavy. So, we're going to be using a 6-inch bit today, okay? So I'm going to use this shroud right here. That looks like about the right size. Okay, now this is what you're going to want to know. Like, how the heck does this thing go on? All right, so if you use a little soap around here, that'll probably make it a little easier. But this, you see, this has a little lip right here. And this has to go, and it has a spot for the lip. You got to get this over the lip. So you get it in there. All right, just push it. Push it good. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. It went on. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do. You just gotta kind of twist, keep twisting it, and we got a little bit of drill bit sticking out here. Just kind of extend it a little. Perfect. So we got a nice shroud for your drill bit, and man, we're ready to drill some holes. Except we need to put this on to help measure the depth of your hole. It's got metric on one side, it's got inches on the other. So you put it right in here. It's got a hole right here. You put it right in there, that, depress that. And I want to put this at a 1/2 inch. So you actually set this at 1.5 inches. There we go. All right, that looks like a 1/2 inch. Okay, so we're going to drill a 1/2 inch hole in concrete with the vacuum on. I'm going to show you how it's done. Here, I'll turn the dust extraction system on and grab the handle, and here we go. We're drilling a 1/2 inch hole. The depth gauge is just about already hitting there. It's an SDS Plus system. It's pretty fast. Okay, there's the hole. Now let's take a look at it, and we didn't see any dust coming up when we were drilling it. Let's see how the hole looks. Oh, that's pretty darn clean. A little dust right there, but that's pretty darn clean. Even the hole was clean. I'll put links in my video description for the DeWalt 9/16 inch SDS Plus rotary hammer kit, the DeWalt Universal Dust Extractor kit, and I'll put a link for the DeWalt Dust Extraction Hose kit. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.